Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow snail.
Let's start drawing.
I start with his house like this. Then his body. Now let's draw a cute face for our snail. I draw his two cute eyes. And his smiling mouth and his cheeks. Great! Then I add some grass around him. Very good!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I'm going to color our cute snail with the colors of the rainbow. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, a little bit of dark blue, light violet, purple, and pink. Let's start again with red, orange, yellow, and green, pink. Finally, I use this marker for her body. It looks very beautiful and colorful. Finally, add green to the beautiful grass. And add some blue in the background. Excellent!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.